Celine, isn't it that the audit of confidential expenses be based on the liquidation documents submitted by the agency?
Pwede din po kaming mag-rely sa available information po.
Mag-rely sa available information.
Yes po. And yung information po na ito is galing dun sa Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability.
Yes, I just cited that. I'll propound questions later. But nakalagay ho ba sa JC na pwede kayong mag-rely specifically dun sa committee hearing na ginawa ng CGGPA, the Committee on Good Governance and Public Accountability?
Pwede po siyang pumasok dun sa 6.2.3.7 na other supporting documents or necessary for the audit. Dun po siya papasok.
Dun siya papasok sa other supporting documents.
Opo, kasi parang additional information po.
Okay. But isn't that a hearing? Wala namang ano ba yung documents na nanggagaling doon from... Anyway, I'll withdraw my question. Pero, naalala mo yung testify dito si Wamil? Si auditor, co-auditor Wamil? Naalala mo yun? The day before you testified.
Opo, nag-testify po siya. Pero ano pong...
Okay. I'm about to ask you a question. So, nung August 5, 2026, nag-testify si Attorney Wamil, and he was asked by the good Senator Erwin Tulfo, okay, and the good Senator said, nasa ano po yan journal, but I'm saying every agency na meron pong intel or confidential fund, do they have to undergo audit periodically or random lang? Dahil marami po tayong ahensya ng gobyerno na may intelligence confidential fund na hindi naman dapat. And Attorney Wamil said, ang audit po namin ay based dun sa liquidation documents na sinubmit po nila. So, would you agree with me that the TSNs that form part of the CGGPA hearings were not part of the liquidation documents that were submitted by the OVP?
Hindi po siya naging part ng submission, pero...
Okay lang. I have to, okay na yun, no? You can answer me with yes or no, no? So, hindi po part yun sa liquidation documents ng OVP.
Your Honor, this question is misleading. This witness never testified. That it is part of the submissions or documents submitted by the OVP or DepEd by way of liquidation of confidential funds.
I think Council is quoting paragraph 2 of the notice of specification that they took into account. Based on the results of with due consideration, they took into consideration the Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability report. Witness may answer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Pwede pong pakiulit yung tanong.
Sige, agree ho ba kayo na yung mga transcript of stenographic notes doon sa CGGPA hearing, Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability, hindi po kasama doon sa liquidation documents na sinubmit po ng OVP, Office of the Vice President?
Hindi po kasama sa submission.
Okay, salamat po. Hindi din po kasama doon sa sinubmit na liquidation documents po ng DepEd?
Hindi din po.
Okay, thank you. Let's go back to the notice of disallowance, please. Okay, can we go to the opening statement? Yung we have audited the submitted liquidation reports. Nakita niyo po yan?
Opo.
Okay, so that opening statement says, we have audited the submitted liquidation reports and its supporting documents for the cash advances of confidential fund of the OVP for the period February 6 to 30 of the calendar year 2023 as detailed below. I am reading it right?
Opo.
Okay. So, Okay. Based dito, no? Dito nga, no? Yung audit ninyo are based lang dun sa submitted documents.
Opo, based po dun sa submitted document.
Thank you. Now, dun po tayo sa ND, no? May nakalagay, you can go over ho, no? May nakalagay ho ba na word yan na misuse of funds? Ground po ba yun ng disallowance? If you go over the ND?
Wala po dito yung word na misuse, pero during
I'll ask you later, no? If I have questions on that. No? Okay, thank you. So, wala ho doon, no? How about the word corruption? Mayroon ho ba?
based po dito sa wordings ng ND, walang nakalagay.
Wala. Okay. How about misappropriation? May nakalagay ho ba dyan?
Yung mismong word po na yun, wala rito. Pero
Okay. Yun lang ho yung tanong ko.
Kindly just answer the question, Ms. Eileen, so that we can move forward faster. Kung ano lang po yung tanong?
Okay po, thank you.
Opposing counsel will have her chance at redirect.
Okay. So, dun tayo sa acknowledgement receipts, no? Earlier testified that you reviewed the acknowledgement receipts, okay, which form part of the liquidation documents ng OVP at saka ng DepEd.
Opo, tama.
In fact, nag-come up kayo ng summary.
Yes po, during my evaluation, tinabulate ko po yung acknowledgement receipts.
Okay, and you have reviewed 1,823 ARs for the OVP. Tama ba yung number na yon?
Ang pagkakatanda ko po is hindi ko makakuha yung total, pero
More or less
519 sa first, 530 and 774 sa third
The
quarter.
court will confirm 1,823 as manifested by the counsel for the panel of prosecutors.
Okay, and for the DepEd, it's 1,824.
Opo, tama po.
Okay, for a total of 3,647 ARs.
Yes po, for the for the 2023 po ng both
Yes, that's-
OVP and DepEd.
That is, I'm about to ask that, no? That pertains to the first 3 quarters of those 2 agencies.
Opo,
Correct?
tama po.
Now, of course, in identifying the ARs, kahapon, no, you provided schedules.
Yung tabulation
Okay.
ko po.
We will be showing the schedules, Your Honor, to the witness.
When you say schedule, counsel, you mean dates?
The summaries, Your Honor, that they provided to us
With
yesterday.
the dates,
They're not schedules, Your
Or
Honor.
summaries, I stand corrected.
tables and summaries.
Tabulations, Your Honor.
Yes,
Yes.
tables and summaries.
Just to clarify, Honorable
Yes,
Presiding,
Attorney Kapunan.
the documents presented by this witness are of 2 natures. One is a tabulation, which is marked, and the other is a summary. The summary of the tabulation, Your Honor.
Marked as
Separately
dash
marked, Your Honor. -1, -2, -1, Your Honor. So what is counsel referring to? The summary, the tabulation?
I will be confronting the witness,
The
Attorney
tabulation, I
Kapunan.
guess. Proceed, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. So, you have identified this in open court, this summary and tabulations. Okay, for the first quarter, that's February 1 to March 30, 2023. Can you peruse this? This was marked as Exhibit P-1-33 of the prosecution.
So that's the tabulation for the first quarter.
Is that the